See here, I'm discussing about the how to promote the video, how to increase the 1 lakh views within a minute. Suppose I have to increase my views within a minute. I need the 10,000 views or 1,000 views. Why we can show for 10,000, 1 lakh, nothing but if you go to the trending, any video, if you in YouTube, this is called trending videos. Trending is nothing but VPH, view per hour. If anybody look our video, view per hour more than 1,000 members, our video going to trending. Within a day, our video will reach 10,000 viewers. That is called recommended. If increase the more views per hour, 1,000, 2,000 will be increased. Our video going to the trending part. This is the trending part. See. So you have doubt. Where will check the VPH? That is called vidIQ toolbar. We already discussed the previous class also. Just here, I can show this option for this video. Per hour, how many people visit my video? This one. Just here, I can play this video. Okay. Just pause. Just I am taking for this option. Why? Because there is no exchange for vidIQ toolbar. I can show by the Google Chrome. Don't forget, if your video going to trending, what is that? Main task is VPH, view per hour. Per hour, they're looking for more than 1,000. For your going into video will be trending. So they're showing for who? vidIQ toolbar. That is very important for vidIQ toolbar. See this. It's almost 1.8 million views. Just look this. View per hour. Look the screen. 507.5K. How much? Almost 5 lakhs members will be watched for the per hour. What is my score? 99.8 by out of 100. Who will give complete score? Give by the vidIQ toolbar. See this. This is a very important for. If you go to video, it will be getting nothing but this is called VPH, view per hour. This is a very important for video marketing. So when you increase the every hour more than 1,000 views, automatically video will go into the trending part. And the video quality also very important for user understanding. And user understanding based on your thumbnail, 1280 by 720. So these are all thumbnails, different. Health tips, rhymes, anything. Is it clear? Okay, now is leave it. Just go to my channel here. So same like that, I can go to my video will be going to trending. So yeah, what is that? In a YouTube channel, I'm going to wear video manager. I can promote my video. It's a step 1 process. So here, I'm going to wear video manager. Select any one video along with good thumbnail. Just here, I can select any one. Now here. So I'm selecting for customer career like that. See this. This is a very important one. What is that? Career of digital marketing. Tell to an introduction to digital marketing. Now here, what is the option call is? Edit. Beside the option call is arrow. What the option call is? Promote. Why I'm looking for views? YouTube new rule will release. What is that? 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers. So when you're promoting my video, I got the views and subscribers. Now what is that? Promote your video. Here they can promote only for one video only at a time. How many videos? Only for one video. Promote your video. Now what is that? It's a campaign budget and it's a daily budget. Campaign budget nothing but if you're adding 1 lakh rupees, they continue your video running for up to 1 lakh. So we're adding for daily budget. They're running for only for daily budget. Maybe 1,000, maybe 5,000. But I'm looking for 1 lakh views. I'm looking for 1 lakh views. Now I'm seeking for daily budget. Within a day, I need for the 1 lakh views. Now we pick. This is the currency part. Dollars, Indian rupees, dinams, your interest. I'm selecting for what is that? Indian rupees. So what is my budget? What is my views? 1 lakh. Now look here. Now what is my budget is? 99,000. So here, they're showing for estimated view here. 120K to 130K. 1,20,000 to 1,30,000. So what is my budget is? 99,000. Look here. See what is that showing here? The campaign will be spending for 99,000 maximum per day until your pause. It once your ad will be approved, your campaign will be starting running. Most ads are reviewed within a one business day. Nothing but 24 hours time will be taken. So if you add the 500 accepted, if you add the more than 2 lakhs, it will be accepted. See here, I'm adding with the 1,20,000. See the changing the views. What is that? 1,50,000 to 1,60,000. But I'm looking for only for 90,000. Okay. Now will be. What is my budget is? 90,000. 1,10,000 to 1,20,000. See here. What is that? Audience selection. Everyone. Suppose. Worldwide. But I'm looking for only for India. My ad will show him by who? India. See here. Traffic will be changed. Now 1,22,000. 1,30,000. So here, just I'm changing my price. 85,000. Now it's changing for the my views. 1,10,000 to 1,20,000. Now I'm changing to 80,000. What? Why I'm changing the my revenue? I'm looking for only for 1 lakh views. See here, 1,10,000 to 1,20,000. So I'm decreasing my budget. 75,000. See, 1 lakh to 1,10,000. So I can increase to 70. So ads will be two types. One is called in-stream ad. Second will be display ads. One is called in-stream ad. Second thing will be display ad. Non-skippable and a skippable video. Nothing but in-stream. Display nothing but in the video right side, right corner. So just go to your YouTube. I'm searching for any email marketing. What is that? This is the video ad. Nothing but display ad. Is a video or display ad? When you click, they go into the our video ad. This is called display and this is called in-stream ad. Nothing but non-skippable and skippable video. Non-skippable less than 6 seconds. Skippable more than 6 seconds. Here, interest. So add your interest here. I'm into technology. Here. $97 to $98. So remove this one. All interest. 98K to 99K. So I'm just increased up to 72,000. My looking for 1 lakh view. So here 1 lakh to 1,10,000. Now here. So clear? I'm selecting for daily budget with the 72,000 as Indian rupees. Audience will be only selected by the India. I will be interest for the all interest, any interested peoples. These are my views. 1 lakh to 1,10,000 my views. See here, this impression for 3,85,000, 389 impression. Impression nothing but if you are searching time, if you see your ad, this is nothing but impression. If you click, they will be charged. Video ads is dependent by the CPV, cost per view, and cost per M. Please write down. Video marketing dependent by the CPV, cost per view, and cost per M. Cost per M nothing but cost per mile, cost per 1,000 impressions. Now here, this is that one is the impression, second will be views. So I'm targeted for the views only, not for impression. 3,50,000 will be impression will be done, but my clicks will be only for 1 lakh. Now what is that? Click for next step. What is that? Headline, description, and second description. Headline will be digital marketing, career and jobs 2018. Control. Free online course. It belongs to for is it clear? This is headline, description 1, description 2. See your ad. They exceed. It's better to we can skip. Now is a fine. Is it clear? This is your ad. This is instant. See nothing but here. Now what is that? Headline, description, and description 2. Here you can select by the image, but always select by your head thumbnail. Exact your first thumbnail. Click for next step. For the final step, sign into AdWords. Why? I'm adding payment where? AdWords. Now sign into your AdWords. They show you the complete review on your ads. Is going to AdWords here. Here. The complete review for where? A Google AdWords. What is that? System Create 2018. Enroll for free online course and jobs. Digital Rakesh. YouTube channel. Digital Rakesh. What is my budget per day? 72,000. What are the views? Potential reach? 1 lakh to 1 lakh 10,000. See views. You're showing any impressions? But YouTube target only for views. See this. These are views. Now what is the location? India. Target for all interested peoples. Why I'm looking for views. So here, this is my ad. What is that? Skip ad, nothing but in stream. What is that? Display ad. We discussed 2 ads. What is that? Instant nothing but skip ad and non-skip. Non-skip nothing but less than 6 seconds. Skip nothing but more than 6 seconds. They're showing what is that? Skip ad. Why? My video more than 6 seconds. Now what is that? Display. The show will be like this. Now here, what is that? Create and launch campaign. Now your campaign will be successfully done. Here they're showing will be status, eligible or not eligible. They give the status for this. Now this is campaign here. These all I'm previous campaigns. You can check the all will be like this. Video symbol will be there. That is called video marketing purpose. Here search will be there. This is a search network. They're showing for display. That is called display network. These are all campaigns here. Now what the campaign will be now? Enable. Now we'll check. Under review. My status will be. They start with the review. What is that? This is the in-stream and this is the display. So is now how will be under review. Why? Because they take for 1 business day. Now just go to campaign here. All campaigns. I show my campaign name. See, what is that? Eligible or not eligible? So the previous one, just pause. Now will be eligible my ad. See this. Suppose I'm not interested to run my ad. Just click. I can put for pause. Put for pause here. If you change your budget, now click change your budget also. When running ad time, if you change your budget, just click for edit option. You can change your budget also. See here. But we're not changing by the total budget. We said only for daily budget only. Now you're adding for 70,000. I can change by 75,000. But default budget is start with 500, end with lakhs of amount. Here, saving your budget here. Now you're saving here. Is it clear? This is calculated for the video campaign. So what is that? Here we're getting the 1 lakh views within a day. So automatically our video will go into trending. That is called VPH, view per hour.